The Northern Lights.
Where do they come from, Ella?
The Northern Lights come from the sun's solar wind bouncing against the Earth.
Ooh, sounds complicated.
It's like the sun burps out tiny energy particles which mix with the Earth's atmosphere, and this causes the lights.
My powers are back.
Good. I think we might need them.
Set us down right in front of them.
Roger that, Doc. Coming in to land.
Oh no! She has us! There's no escape!
Now, you pitiful pipsqueaks, you know what I want.
No way.
Pew, pew. Really? Still using the old Snow Queen act? Pathetic. For your powers. Now, hand me the book and we'll consider pulling you out.
Don't do it, Ella! I have to. We're sinking.
At last! Gimme, gimme, gimme!
Whoa! It's the narwhal!
He's come to save his queen! Yay!
Guess that means no book for you today, Dr. Dotty.
No! Why does this always happen?
Would Her Majesty like Mr. Narwhal to take us back to the playroom?
Yes, please.
Now we're the ones thinking. This will ruin my hair for the portrait!
And my fur.
It's freezing.
How was your trip to the North Pole, Your Majesty? Marvelous.
What will you be using your powers for now?
Having a nap.